Here's another question that came up to me. I won't disclose the person who shared it, but in this case, a person wanted to sell their business, and their business was going to include the building that they were renting. And so we had a nice long discussion about this, and I thought other people probably need to know about this as well. When you're selling your business, you have contractual obligations. Maybe it's with a vendor, maybe it's with a landlord. But let's just say that you're a year and a half in and you have a 3-year lease and somebody wants to take over the business. What do you do? So this process is called an assignment of lease. And essentially what happens is it works kind of like a sublet, but it's not. It's different. So in a sublet, if you had an apartment in college and maybe you had someone take it over for you, in a sublet, you are still on the hook. And so imagine this. Imagine that you're going to do 1 semester abroad and someone's going to pay your rent while you're gone. But if they stop paying the rent, you're still on the hook for it. An assignment is different. An assignment, you move the obligation away from you and permanently onto another person. And that person becomes wholly responsible for any obligations, and you are completely severed off that lease. That's what you want, is an assignment of lease. I see sometimes landlords demand that a renter for a commercial lease sign a personal guarantee. I don't like it, but it's necessary, and so we do that sometimes when the business is too new and it's just a big risk for the landlord. I get it. Landlords need to be protected. And so if you signed a personal guarantee for your lease, then if you are assigning that lease to someone else, then you would want to be released from your personal guarantee, and the new tenant might have to sign a personal guarantee. And sometimes that takes a little bit of a battle. If you are my client and you are a commercial landlord, I will help you make sure that you are protected. And if you are my client and you are a tenant, then I will help you negotiate this deal so that it works out successfully for both you and the landlord. Because typically when someone's selling their business, we want it to be a win-win situation. So these are absolutely doable, but we want to make sure we cross our T's and dot our I's and get it done properly.